Hi guys, I'm Teacher Mark. In this video, we will look at when we should use present perfect and when we should use present perfect continuous. Please enjoy. So, to make this easier, there are 3 things we should know. The first thing we should know is past participle. This means when you have your verb table with eat, ate, eaten, for example, we need eaten. We need the third column. This is past participle. The second thing we should know is finished times. These are, for example, yesterday, last week, or 1 year ago. These are finished times. The third thing we should know is unfinished times. For example, today, or this week, or this year. These are unfinished times. To make a present perfect sentence, we need a subject, we need have or has, and we need past participle. For example, I have finished my coffee. There are 2 main reasons to use present perfect. Number 1, you're talking about a finished action in an unfinished time. For example, or you are talking about how many. For example, this week I have eaten 3 eggs. To make a present perfect continuous sentence, we need subject, has or have, been, verb ing. There are 2 main reasons we should use present perfect continuous. Number 1, we are talking about an unfinished action in an unfinished time. For example, the second one is if you are talking about an unfinished action and you want to talk about how long. For example, it's a lot to remember. So, let's review. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Remember, if this video was useful for you, please hit the subscribe button. That will make me very happy. So, until next time, I'm Teacher Mark. Please enjoy your life.